Hello, we are live. Excellent. Okay, how to live stream to Facebook and YouTube using Zoom. Now, there are many different ways to record your educational content, to reach a wider audience, to record that knowledge that you have in your head and get it into the public hands. Now, one of the ways is to use proper video editing software, such as Camtasia as an example. That's one way to record your video content, save it as an MP4 at high quality, and then distribute that either in your paid online courses and lead magnets on YouTube or on social media if you're looking to get yourself out there as an expert. But there is another way to do this, and many people aren't aware of this, that you can actually live stream onto Facebook on your personal profiles, your business pages, or into your groups straight from Zoom itself. And in fact, recording this video, I'm actually doing this right now. So how do you do it? It's really, really simple. Now, the first thing you actually need to do is just go into your Zoom settings and enable live streaming. So first of all, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to do that or where you can find that particular information. So what you want to do is log into your own Zoom account. And when you are in your own Zoom account area, on the left-hand side, there is a menu called Settings. Now, when you click on Settings, you have meeting settings, recording settings, and telephone settings. And by the way, there's so much stuff in here that you may not be aware of. Do go in and have a nose, because there is a lot more that you can do with Zoom after you enable some features by coming back to this end than is automatically enabled. So what you're going to do to enable live streaming onto Facebook and YouTube from Zoom is to go to your settings, go to meeting settings and go to meeting advanced, in meeting advanced. And this is where you can scroll down and enable live streaming. So right at the very bottom of that section, it says allow live streaming meetings, and you need to tick Facebook and YouTube on. Turn that option on there. And then when you go into your Zoom meeting area, and let me open up my Zoom meeting area for you now. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. When you go into your Zoom meeting area, on the bottom of your Zoom meetings, you have then an option called More. There's 3 little dots. It says More. You click on that. Now, at the moment, I am actually live streaming this video while I'm delivering it. But if I wasn't live streaming, I would have the option to live stream on Facebook or live stream on YouTube. You click that option and it then automatically connects you through to your Facebook account or your YouTube account to allow streaming, and then you press go live on that particular platform. Now remember, YouTube only allows you to live stream if you have a certain number of subscribers. So if that option isn't showing for you, it may be that you haven't reached the right subscriber limit through YouTube. At the time of recording this, that's 1,000 people. So after you have 1,000 subscribers, you can actually live stream directly onto YouTube. If you haven't reached that magic number yet, that will be why that option might not be showing for you. But otherwise, what you can do now is a couple of things. Now, I automatically set all of my videos to record in Zoom. So Zoom allows you to record all of your meetings, and you take that recording, and from that recording, that is then how you can actually go and save that or repurpose that content into your online courses. Now, if you are not recording directly from Zoom, well, if you've live streamed this onto your Facebook page or your Facebook group or anywhere on Facebook, you actually have the option to download this live stream directly from Facebook. So all you would do is go onto your Facebook page, find the live stream you've just done, press play on your live stream after, press the replay. And up on the top right-hand corner of your screen is 3 tiny little dots. You click on those 3 tiny little dots and you have the option to download your video. And then, of course, you can use that download, repurpose it as part of your online courses, make it a lead magnet course. You can just use it as general social media content and uploading to YouTube for more search engine optimization, for more searchability for your programs, training, and content. So there you go. That is how to live stream onto Facebook and YouTube using Zoom. Hope that helped.